gum or school glue or clean cream, foaming hand soap. First, I'm gonna add you need to mix it heavier and bigger. We're gonna add shaving cream. After you mix it, it's gonna wait. If you wanna use marker, you just take off the top. Your fingers of the burning can 4-in-1. So for now, I'm gonna use Gain little by little because you don't want it to be stretchy. So if you add little by little, it's gonna be stretchy. Then it's something like this. When you get it, you start to play it, but it will not be stretchy.